Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakererga.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to promote Clickbank products fast, free, easy, and with high quality traffic. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you how to promote Clickbank products really fast, really easy, in a free way, and with high quality traffic. Keep it to the end of the video because I'm going to show you a great way, a professional way, if you really want to boost the money that you can make with this strategy. Okay, so that's going to be at the end of the video. So now let's begin. The first thing that you're going to need is that you need to pick a niche. Okay, this niche needs to be something that you feel passionate about. But if you're asking me, like, Diana, which are the top 3 niches that you suggest me to go with, in which you can actually make way more money, because a lot of people are making research about this every single day. The top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationship. But you need to understand that inside these niches, we have sub niches. For example, on the health industry, you're going to have weight loss. Yes, but that's a really big sub niche. But you're going to have weight loss for women, weight loss for men, weight loss, after 40s, after getting birth, you're going to have tons of sub niches. Okay, once you decide which niche you would like to go after, you need to pick a product. Okay, we're going to go to Clickbank and we're going to pick a product. You can pick a couple and test a couple. Don't get crazy trying to promote them all. Okay, see which product is giving you the best sales conversion, stick with it, right? And then you can keep, testing with other products as well. Let me go to my Clickbank account so I can show you which are the criteria that you need to take into consideration whenever you are, picking a product. Now we are on my Clickbank account. Okay, let me show you something really fast. So as you can see, I'm on the health and fitness industry. Just in case that you don't know, it's free to create a Clickbank account. You just need to go to clickbank.com, put your name, your last name, a valid email address, a password, and that's it. You're going to be ready to roll. Okay, on the left side, if you speak any other language and you want to do this strategy on any other language rather than English, you can put the language here, and you can see all the categories that they have. These are all the niches, and I'm going with the health and fitness. Okay, once you choose which is the category that you're gonna go with, my suggestion is to go and sort the results by gravity. Okay, by default, they're gonna be populated by popularity. Go with gravity. The reason why, it's because that means that there is a lot of people promoting this product, which is good, but also a lot of people are getting sales with this product, so that's even better. Okay, a popular product is not necessarily a product that everybody or a lot of people are making sales with it. So I want you to take that into consideration. So as you can see here, we have the Cinderella solution. You can make $37.53 per sale. The Hurtig diabetes remedy, Leptitox, the custom keto diet. But if you pay close attention to this, okay, you're gonna see that all of these products, the products that a lot of people are making sales with them, they do have affiliate page. Okay, they do have an affiliate page, and they also have an affiliate support contact. So this means that these people are really serious about helping you make money, because if you make money, they're going to be making money as well. So they're going to give you all the tools that you need. So I want you to take that into consideration. Okay, so as you can see, the products is, and I can keep scrolling, that people are actually getting better results is because the producer, the one who created the product, they know all details about their product. They know all the details about their target market, the keywords and everything, and they are sharing that information with you. For this example, we're going to go with the custom keto diet. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the affiliate resource. I have a welcome message here. How I'm going to create my link? Well, it's really easy. You just need to click here where it says promote. But sometimes they show you how to do it because they understand that people can find this product and maybe they don't find it on Clickbank but somewhere else. Here you have a product information, banners if you want to promote it that way. As I told you, the custom demographics, some articles if you want to promote it, the email swipes, and they do have an FAQ section. If you have questions, here you can contact them. So as you can see, this is really, really great. And this is something that we actually need. Okay, we need to know every single detail about the product. My suggestion, if you can, go ahead and purchase a product. I know a lot of people out there are gonna tell you like, no, you don't have to do it. Yeah, it's not mandatory, but the way I like to promote things is that I like to test them first. I want to review the quality of the product, not only the quality of the landing page they are using, but the quality of the product, so I can give them a better, feedback. So I have everything here, some testimonials. So this is good if you want to use testimonials, right? So this product looks legit. So now what we're going to do, we have the niche, we have the product. What's next? Well, our next step is to drive traffic. And for that, we're going to use a YouTube channel. It's easy to set up. It's free to set up. So remember that I told you that we're going to promote it fast, easy, with high quality traffic and for free. So a great way in which you can drive high quality traffic to your product is by creating a YouTube channel. Okay, this YouTube channel needs to be surrounded by the niche. Okay, you're not gonna be creating one YouTube channel for all the niches that you want to go ahead and promote. Okay, or you choose. No, it's gonna be one YouTube channel per niche, and you're gonna be giving them valuable content. Okay, if you want every single day, well, not if you want, if you can every single day, it not at least 3 to 5 times per week, because you need to be consistent. At the beginning, YouTube needs to understand that you are going to be there for the long run. It's not something that you are going to be today and tomorrow you're going to quit. So you need to be consistent. You're going to be creating valuable content. If you're wondering, Diana, do I need to show myself? Do I need to show my face? Not necessary, but if you're not afraid to be in front of camera, go ahead and do it. But the most important thing is that on every single video, you need to give them a call to action, something simple. Go ahead in the description, click the link below, so they understand that there is something else, right? So I can have, my weight loss video, and I can talk about the keto diet, which are my favorite keto diets, why I suggest the keto diet, and I can let them know, like, if they are really interested about this, click the link below, and they're gonna land on the landing page about the keto diet. So if they make a purchase, I'm gonna be making money. So this is a really simple way in which you can do it. But if you want to go the extra mile and you really want to make money with this, okay, if you want to get even better results, my suggestion, and this is what I'm doing, is that you need to build your email list and you need to build your capture page. Why do you need to build your email list? I'm pretty sure that by now you heard the concept that the money is in the list. Okay, there is a lot of people out there, tons of YouTube channels, right? Maybe people connect with you, but they forget about the name of your channel. They watch other videos during the day, and boom, there was your opportunity to make money online. So if you're building an email list, right, if you capture these people information by giving some kind of lead magnets, and sometimes these Clickbank products provide you even the lead magnet, you can keep sending them information. And by the way, don't worry about creating the email swipes if you are like, oh my God, I don't know how to write an email, because they give you that for sure. Okay. So again, you can have an upfront offer, front end offer, which is going to be in my case, this keto diet product, right? If they decide to buy it, good. If they decide it's not for them, I really don't mind, because I'm going to keep sending them valuable information whenever I update my YouTube channel. I'm going to send them to watch my videos. And remember, then we can add more products on the back end. So if I want to promote other products, right, I can just choose on Clickbank the same way that I show you right now. And I can say, it's like, okay, this is another product that I want to promote. This is the email sequence. Let me add this email sequence. So you're going to get a better return on your investment. Let me show you how you can do this. In order to do this, well, we're going to use my favorite funnel builder, which is it's actually Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. So if you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be a 7-day free trial. And we're going to use this tool that it's called the Canvas Funnel Builder. Okay, this is an exclusive tool that they have. So you can actually create your funnel without any kind of knowledge. Let me show you in a moment. So we're going to add a funnel. Let me put it here, keto diet. Okay, that's going to be the funnel. That's going to be the description. I'm going to click here where it says next. And now the system is asking me, like, what are you going to do? Are you going to generate leads? Are you going to generate sales? Are you going to create an event? I'm going to generate leads. Okay, because I'm going to give them my lead magnet. So I'm going to use this one, lead magnet funnel. Okay, if you're going to give away some trial because you are promoting a software, if this is going to be an application funnel, if this is going to be a funnel in which you're going to ask a question, if this is going to be a bridge page, you're going to have this. In my case, let's say that for this example, I'm going to offer a lead magnet. Okay, so the system now is showing me all the templates that I do have, right? Okay, if I'm something new, if I have a car, weight loss, business, design, courses, here muscular mass gain, apps, blah, blah, blah. So in my case, I'm on the weight loss industry, so I'm going to preview how this funnel is going to look like. It's preview, and the system is going to show me how the funnel is going to look. And by the way, these funnels are really good looking. They're really well designed, so you don't have to worry like, oh my God, I'm not a graphic designer, what am I going to do? Okay, so here is how the funnel is going to look like. So it's really, really nice. I can even put a testimonial here. So this is the funnel that I'm going to do, that I'm going to use. So you just need to click here where it says select. And the system is going to populate everything for me. Okay, the system is going to populate all the pages that I need, the lead magnet, if I want them to confirm their email, and the download page. Okay, so after you make all the modification, and actually you don't need to modify anything, you're going to click here where it says create the website, and you're going to have the website ready to promote this. Okay, so it's really easy, really simple. This is if you really want to skyrocket your results and if you're really serious about making money online. Again, I'm going to leave the link below to Builderall so you can check it out. That's my favorite funnel builder. And also to Aweber, which is the email autoresponder that I use. So you can have a 30-day free trial and you can start, building your Clickbank empire, with YouTube. So if you have some comments, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with someone you think he or she might enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.